about New Yorkers who are frustrated with their lives and frustrated with how things are going on the train. And they have these daydreams about how they can make the world a better place.
The inspiration came, we took a quote, which is, "Be the change you wish to see in the world," and we used that as a source of inspiration. So we gave that to our writer, Jim Colleran, and we did a lot of kind of exploration in the class. So we created some characters together, we created environments, we decided it was going to be on the subway.